Hello, and welcome to my video. Today, I'm going to show you why CapCut is a game changer for beginners like us, who are trying to monetize our channels and attract an audience. Something that can be really challenging. CapCut isn't just a video editor, it's an AI-powered tool. With the script-to-video feature, you can quickly create a script, a video, and even a voiceover. So, let me show you how it works. Click here on Script to Video to open this window. Once you're here, you can enter your script if you have one. But if you don't have a script, go back and select gaming in my case. Then, enter the topic, for example, like I'm doing here about this game. After that, briefly describe what you want CapCut to write about the game, or add some details. I will enter the information asking it to explain what this game is about. After that, choose how long you want the script to be. You can select options like any, 1 minute, 1 to 3 minutes, or more than 3 minutes. I'll choose 1 to 3 minutes. And then, simply click on Generate Script. In just a few seconds, your script will be ready. And not just one. You'll get 3 scripts to choose from, and you can pick the one you like the most. Once you decide which script suits you best, the next step is to choose the voiceover character. There are many characters to choose from. And just a note, the script-to-video feature can be used in the free version, but not all voiceover characters are available. Only the free ones can be used. Click here to check if the voice suits you. Once you've made your choice, click on Generate Video. You'll be prompted to choose between Smart Generation or Local Media. If you choose Smart Generation, CapCut will take anything from its media library and create the video for you. If you select Local Media, CapCut will choose media from your computer if it's linked. In my case, it's not linked, so I'll manually add the video. Choose what suits you best. And of course, click Generate Video. If you followed my steps and your media isn't linked, the video spot will be empty, just like here. All you need to do is add your video, and if necessary, make any adjustments to make it look how you want. Of course, you can also edit how the text looks. You'll have full control over your video. But the voiceover and background music have already been automatically added, so you won't have to worry about copyright strikes from YouTube. All you need to do is add your video and export it, and that's all you need to do. For me, this is really great because I'll save a lot of time editing my videos, which I'm working on to get monetized. It's not a nice feeling when you spend hours editing and really put in the effort, only for the video to get just a few views, but of course, quality is what truly matters. I hope you enjoyed the video. In my opinion, CapCut, even in the free version, is the best editor for beginners like us. Thank you, and I hope you'll subscribe and look forward to my upcoming videos, which will all be made using script to video. Take care.